So hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to install no drilling front license plate bracket for Volkswagen ID.4 and this is the second iteration of the bracket with the easier installation and a little slicker design. So you can install it two ways. You can install it the high mount just like so, or you can install the low mount that makes it fully have the bumper visible. So this is the low mount or the high mount. Okay, to avoid the confusion, put the markings and say high mount, arrow should be facing up, or the low mount, the arrow for the low mount should be facing up. Also on the bracket, there's an arrow showing you which way it should be facing. So when you decide which mount you want to do, let's do the low mount. So this should be facing up, low mount facing up. You turn around and you push this into that until you hear like click, click, click. Okay, so this is the low mount. Now, very important, second row of the grills, 1, 2. This is middle. So you put it in like so, push inside. So this is your low mount. Now, you're gonna get also the hardware with installed bigger nuts because they'll have a really tight fit. So you take long screws and you insert them inside. Also enlarge the hole so for easier installation. Okay, just like so, fully insert. Now you need to thread the rear caps. Okay, rear caps have the up position, so when you insert through the grill you need to rotate them 90 degrees. So you thread them fully, like so you can see the screw on at the end of the nut. Let's do the second one. Make sure it's there, so you know when you insert they don't fall out and disappear behind the grill. Now when you assemble this, you insert nuts for the frame, one after another. You may want to use maybe pliers to push them in. They should be facing the same direction, okay? And nuts are threaded in full, okay? So leave the gap here. So now let's put it through. Turn 90 degrees. Hold it like so and just thread it down firmly but not too tight. Assist yourself with a screwdriver. Yes, like so. Tight but not too tight. Remember, this is plastic pieces and this bolts are strong. Okay. If you want, you can use a blue thread locker for added security, but it is not necessary. Now, let's attach the plate. Make sure you thread all 4 screws before you tighten it down, because you know sometimes the holes in the plate, they're not perfectly aligned. and you may need to loosen the screw that is too tight. Okay, now all four in. You can kind of hold it from behind to assist yourself. You can take this little tether